Reachout Centre Trust is a non-profit organization founded in the year 2003. Its main mandate is to provide harm reduction, preventive and treatment services to those affected by or vulnerable to alcohol, drug abuse, HIV and AIDS in the coast region of Kenya. The main driving factor for its establishment was the growing empirical evidence of increased use and abuse of alcohol and drugs in the region.
Well, from our own experience, it's easy to buy heroin from the street of Mombasa than to buy sugar from a supermarket.
The organization is committed to serving people who use drugs and the community through outreaches, outpatient drug detoxification, ongoing drug addiction and counseling, testing of HIV and advocates for the rights of people who use drugs, among other services. The success rate is commendable. Over 13,000 people have been reached with the harm reduction services. Currently, 5,374 are receiving an assortment of HIV prevention and linkage services through the harm reduction program. Through the needle and syringe program, we have prevented HIV transmission among 2,435 people who inject drugs within Mombasa and Kwale counties. About 500 clans have benefited from the medical assisted therapy MAT, which has helped clans stop taking heroin. Over 10,000 people who use drugs have benefited from the advocacy program through intervention that support public health approach to the drug use problem, such as access to fair trial, psychosocial support, and access to alternative sentences for pet drug offenders. Nine 902 clans have benefited from inpatient drug treatment program, most of who are now living a stable, ethical, productive and a drug-free life.